There are 168 hours in a week. Subtract 56 for sleep and 45 for work. You still have 67 hours left. That's more waking hours than your entire work week. Laura Vanderkam's research shows most people vastly overestimate how busy they are. Track every 30-minute block for one full week. Don't change your behavior. Just record honestly. Most people discover 15 to 25 hours of time they didn't have being consumed by social media, TV, unfocused browsing, and unnecessary tasks. The audit makes invisible time visible. Review your time log and categorize each block: essential, valuable, neutral, or wasteful. You can't eliminate essential, but you can reduce neutral and eliminate wasteful. Most people find 10+ hours per week they can immediately reallocate to priorities they've been too busy for. Create a template for your ideal week. When you work, exercise, spend time with family, pursue hobbies, and rest. Don't fill every slot. Leave 20% buffer. Then compare your ideal week to your actual week. The gap is your improvement roadmap. Close it gradually, one block at a time. Setting up a 168 hours time tracking spreadsheet with auto categorization, a visual comparison between your ideal and actual weeks, and alerts for time categories that exceed your budget. Start your time audit tomorrow. Just 1 week of honest tracking. Download the free 168 hours tracking template from the description. What you discover will change how you think about not having enough time.